Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to install Python in Manjaro Linux specially and how to create virtual environment for your Python. And also as a IDE, we are going to use a Microsoft VS Code. Also, at the end of the day, as a bonus, we're going to learn how to incorporate Jupyter IDE in the VS Code. Gradually, we learn this all the step. Here, this is Kingsuk and all the things are giving in a link at here. Now, we're going to discuss here. As it is one of the Arch Linux, the package manager is command is this. If you are go for the Ubuntu, then there is a aptitude or the apt update is there like that. So here this command should be executed first to update all the version. Before that, if you wish to know which version of the Linux you are running, here let's see some basic command of the Linux terminal. Look at here, if I press the date, then it will show me the present date. And if I go to know what is my this to clear the screen, press Ctrl and L. Now, first thing first, let's see this command. Your always try to use your bash shell because everything should be in a bash shell. Now, this command, this is require your root password. It's going to update everything. I'm making a pause intentionally so now it is already up to date everything, so we can go further. Let's see. As we know, the Python itself already installed by default in your Linux, modern days Linux. So let's check its version. To check the version, you have to type again to clean the terminal, Control L. Now type Python, so which then your Python. This is the Python. Now to load everything, that's mean you are going to use your Python and also how to install the different packages, for example numpy, scipy, or the module. It is somewhere, it is in your some institute call it is a module, so or MATLAB plotleaf like that. So everything can be done by this command. Please this command, this pacman for the package manager, is for the synchronize Python, then your Python pip. The pip is like your package manager in a Python, that is a package manager. And the part and already I have talked about, initially we have to create a virtual environment so that our OS side will be neat and clean, and it can be dedicated for the different project, whatever maybe the project is there. As per that project, we can install the necessary packages. After executing that command already I have shown, then everything will be installed. Give me the permissions, and whenever the root password is required, submit your root password. Now we wish to know which pip. Now to open the VS Code from the terminal, you just use code. Now Windows has pop up, and this is a new Python. So before doing anything, plus first you install your plugins. So here you type your Python. Give some time. Yes. Now look at here very carefully, very carefully. Here a lot of Python plugins there, but use only the Microsoft plugins because it is a recommended. Don't use the untrusted plugin, otherwise some malicious activity can be occur in your OS. And look at here. These are there. All these things should be installed properly. Now we are going to discuss how to run the code in this VS Code. First, go to this file menu, then new file. Then a new file will be pop up. Say it is a hello world program. Hello. And the extension in a C is your C, but in a Python it is a py. So hello py. Now where you are going to save it, say Python lab, say lab 01, hello py is the first thing I'm submitting at here. This. Now for the program, say the first program is say print will automatically come, then say single quote, or you can use the double quote for printing the string hello world. Hello world. So now save it, Control S, or you can go for here and here you can save the thing. Save. Now how to run? Here, look at this icon, run the Python file, then run it. Look at it. It will run and show the output hello world. Now you can observe that here it is written that this KMVNV, right? Actually, I'm using the virtual environment. The next session, I'm going to show you how to install or the create a virtual environment as per the different project. The change the directory, and this is my total path. Now it is come inside this directory. Then then the name of that virtual environment. Say here I'm giving the E underscore lab underscore env. Let's see what will happen. It will take 1 second time as depending on your processor, and it will be created. Let's see. Then ls command ee. You can use the tab after you typing 1 or 2 word. If you press the tab, it will be tab completions can occur. Then your bin, then there is a activate, right? Look at here. Look the things. Previously, it is under your KM, my previous virtual environment, and this is for the lab specific virtual environment which I have created. To deactivate after working your everything, you can go for your deactivate command. Must be deactivate. This much again it is come into the normal procedure, right? So in that way, suppose I install some so your packages with respect to this your virtual environment. So again I activate it, first mind it, first activate that thing, then it's a clumsy, so again Control L, so everything will be clean off. Now here say I use a numpy, say, and also in future we are going to use the Jupyter ID. So let's see, we are going to install say pip, then install for the installation purpose, then numpy, MATLAB plotliv, and Jupyter I'm going to install at here. It will take time. Now already I have installed the MATLAB plotliv and NumPy in my previous virtual environment, but it is unknown to this, so that's why it is again installing. Let give it some time depending on your processor. Yes, it is completed. Now here this hello world program, if I wish to run from my that virtual environment, so how to run it? If I run it from here, just clicking at here again, it will be give in this environment, right? So if it is not first time, you have to fetch the thing, so you have to press Control Shift and P. It will giving you, then you type Python then select interpreter, right? Then you can find out the different thing or enter the path of your this, but it is my default path ID. So what I do, enter the path ID. I have to find it. Where should I go? For here, then the bin library, then your py all files. Sorry, bin library, and then you find the your Python. This or this will be open it. Right. Now let's see. Right. So you can observe this path. Look at here. The path is there. This is a virtual. Then this Python has been used. Then this is your hello world has been run. Or suppose you wish to run from here, right? From this path, you are going to use only this path. So command line. Those who are